Hi, Anandal. Welcome to the mathematics class. So, in this session, I would like to discuss some more interesting problems on complex integration. So, in last class also, we discussed some problems in complex line integral. So, in today's class also, I am discussing some more interesting, some different types of problems on complex line integrations. As you see this, evaluate integration over C3z square into dz, where C is the line segment from 0 to 2i. C is the line segment from 0 to 2i. So here, first you write the given problem. So that is integration. Okay, you take let I is equal to integration over C. This is 3z square into dz. So as all of you know that z is x plus iy. So first we need to write the c. So that curve na barkobek now first term. To write the equation of that curve c. So here c is the line joining from 0 to 2i. You can write in ordered pairs, that is 0 means that is origin, z is equal to 0, that is you can write it 0 plus 0i. So 0 0 2 0, z is equal to 2i. Here real coordinate is 0, so and imaginary coordinate, that is y is 2 in this case. Equation of this line is as you write the equation of line, y minus y1 is 0, divided by y2 minus y1, y2 is 2 minus 0 is equal to x minus x1, that is 0, x2 minus x1, so that is x2 is 0, 0 minus 0, so that is y by 2 is equal to x by 0, which implies that if you take cross multiplication, so this becomes 0 and this x is equal to 2, x is equal to 0, so then this left hand side is 0, so then which implies that x is equal to 0. So instead of this ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೆಯೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ, so a shortcut is there to write the equation of the straight line. See, in some cases, in some special cases, for example, we can easily write the equation of the line here. So and you notice these coordinates here, x is 0, here also x is 0, so then we can write the equation of the line directly as x is equal to 0. Okay, suppose y coordinate is 1, suppose that it is like this 0 1 and 1 1. So equation of this line is, so here y coordinate is 1, here also y coordinate is 1, so you can write the equation of line is y is equal to 1. You just go and write by using formula, then also you get same answers. Okay, so here equation of that line is x is equal to 0. So if x is 0, then what is dx? Dx is also 0. If you substitute all these in I, or you write the 3z square into dz first, 3z square into dz, 3z square into dz can be written as 3 into x plus iy, z is x plus iy, x plus iy whole square into dz is dx plus I dy, which is equal to 3 into 0 plus iy whole square into dx is 0, 0 plus I dy. Simplifying this, it is equal to 3 into I square y square into I dy, which is equal to I square is minus 1, so minus 3iy square into dy. It is minus 3iy square into dy, and you notice that here from this point to this point, y varies from 0 to 2, y varies from 0 to 2, so you take the limit is 0 to 2, so I is equal to integration from 0 to 2 minus 3i into y square into dy, which is equal to minus 3i into integration of y square is y cube by 3 with limit from 0 to 2. You can cancel that 3 here. ಈ 3 ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ನೀವು. And to the remaining one, if you apply the limit minus I into 2 cube minus 0, which is equal to minus 8i, is the required value of the integral. Okay, of course, sometimes they may ask simple problems also. So 2 marks ಈ ತರ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. Okay, next you see this evaluate integration of x plus 2y into dx plus 4 minus 2x into 4 minus 2x into dy. To evaluate this around the ellipse, they are given the expression of x and y in parametric form, that is x is equal to 4 cos theta, y is equal to 3 sin theta. So they mention the limits of theta also. Theta varies from 0 to 2 pi taken in anti-clockwise direction. So that means we have to take from 0 to 2 pi only. Clockwise direction andre ಈಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, anti-clockwise andre ಈಗ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. So that is the standard format we are taken in 2-dimensional Euclidean space. So in anti-clockwise direction theta varies from 0 to 360 degrees, that is 0 to 2 pi ಆಗಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So okay, first if you want, you calculate this value or directly substitute that integral. Let I is equal to, first write I, let I is equal to integration over c, it is x plus 2y into dx plus 4 minus 2x into dy. So what is x and y here? X is equal to 4 cos theta, y is equal to 3 sin theta. And what is dx? Dx is minus 4 sin theta d theta, and dy is 3 cos theta d theta, 3 cos theta d theta, and 0 less than or is equal to theta less than or is equal to 2 pi. So now that I is equal to integration from 0 to 2 pi, x is 4 cos theta plus 2 into y, y is 3 sin theta. This into dx, the dx is minus 4 sin theta d theta. Dx is minus 4 sin theta d theta plus 4 minus 2x plus 4 minus 2x, okay, plus 4 minus 2 into x, x is 4 cos theta, x is 4 cos theta, 4 minus 2 into 4 cos theta into dy, that dy is 3 cos theta d theta. Okay, so close this. So which is equal to I is equal to integration from 0 to 2 pi. You simplifying this part, minus 4 sin theta into 4 cos theta is minus 16 sin theta cos theta. 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24 minus 24 sin theta into sin theta is sin square theta plus 4 3s are 12, 12 cos theta d theta, and this is minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24 cos square theta. Sorry, this is not okay. Yeah, next step is simplifying this. I can be written as I is equal to integration from 0 to 2 pi minus 16 Sin theta cos theta can be written as sin 2 theta divided by 2 minus 24 into, you take minus 24 common factor, sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 12 cos theta plus 12 cos theta into d theta. Okay, actually it's not necessary because d theta is written here. Yes, now you simplify this. 2 ones are 2 eights are, which is equal to integration from 0 to 2 pi minus 8 sin 2 theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, so it is minus 24 plus 12 cos theta. 12 cos theta into d theta. So okay, next next to integrate this, its integration gives that minus 8 into integration of sin 2 theta is minus cos 2 theta divided by 2 minus 24 theta plus 12 into integration of cos theta is sin theta. Limit is from 0 to 2 pi. Simplifying and apply the limit. 2 ones are 2 fours are minus of minus plus 4 cos 2 into 2 pi minus 24 into 2 pi plus 12 sin 2 pi minus of, put theta is 0 here, minus of minus plus 4 cos 0 minus 0 plus 12 sin 0. Yes, of course sin 0 is 0, so this is 0. Sin 2 pi is 0. Okay, and you write this value is equal to cos 4 pi. Cos 4 pi is 1 into 4, it is 4 minus 24 2s are 48 pi, and this is cos 0 is 1, so this is minus 4 plus 4 cancel with minus 4, which is equal to minus 48 pi. So this is minus 48 pi. So okay, you see one more problem of the same type. Evaluate integration from I to 2 minus I. Integration from I to 2 minus I. 3xy plus iy square into dz. First you write this given integral. So let I is equal to integration from I to 2 minus I, and that is xy 3xy plus I into y square into dz. I into y square into dz. So it is the along the line joining from here. C is the line joining from, so z is equal to I to z is equal to 2 minus I. So write that points, equation of the line joining from the point 0 1 to 2 minus 1, 0 1 to 2 minus 1 is, so use the formula y minus y1 by y2 minus y1, so that is y minus 1 divided by y2 here is minus 1 is equal to x minus x1, x1 is 0 by x2 minus x1, that is 2 minus 0. So that is y minus 1 divided by minus 2 is equal to x divided by 2. You can cancel this 2 and 2 here. 2 ಮತ್ತೆ 2 ನ cancel ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. So now this becomes minus y plus 1 is equal to x. Minus y plus 1 is equal to x. Now you write y is equal to, ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ y is equal to, you can write it is 1 minus x, and dy can be written as minus dx. Dy is equal to minus dx. So now that integral I becomes, I na ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, so now you write dz. Dz is what? Dz is equal to dx plus I dy, dx plus I into dy is minus dx. So this is equal to 1 minus I into dx. 1 minus I into dx. Now the integral I is equal to integration from, and also you will observe that here x varies from 0 to 2. ಎಲ್ಲದನ್ನು in terms of x ಅಲ್ಲಿ convert ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ, so you take the limits of x as x varies from 0 to 2. Here x varies from 0 to 2. So and you write this 3xy plus iy square. 3xy, 3xy. What is y here? 1 minus x. 3xy plus iy square. I into y square. I into, what is y? Y is 1 minus x. That square. This into dz. Dz is 1 minus I into dx. 1 minus I into dx, which is equal to integration from 0 to 2. 3x into 1 is 3x minus 3x into x is 3x square plus I into 1 minus x whole square. This into 1 minus I into dx. You simplifying this by integrating this one. Its integration gives that 3 into integration of x is x square by 2 minus 3 into integration of x square is x cube by 3 plus I into, it is like this ax plus b form alli ide idu. So idra integration enagutte 1 minus x to the power 3 divided by 3 into the coefficient of x is, x na coefficient minus 1 ide, so write that minus 1 here. So this into 1 minus I, and it is with limit 0 to 2. Okay, you apply the limit here. 3 cancels. Limit apply ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ this is 3 by 2 into 2 square minus 2 cube plus I into, this is 1 minus 2 whole cube, 1 minus 2 whole cube divided by minus 3. 1 minus 2 whole cube divided by minus 3 minus of lower limit, that is lower limit ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, x ಗೆ 0 ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. So then it is 0 minus 0, but when you put x is 0 here, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ plus I into 0, 1 minus 0 is 1, so that is 1 cube divided by minus 3. Okay, so this into 1 minus, sorry, this into 1 minus I, go on simplifying this. One of the two cancels here. Remaining here is 3 2s are 6 minus 8, and this is actually minus 1 cube, that is minus by minus plus I divided by 3, and also here it is minus I by 3, minus of minus plus I by 3. This is minus I by 3, minus of minus plus I by 3. This into 1 minus I. Its simplification gives that it is minus 2 plus 2I divided by 3 into 1 minus I. Okay, you go on simplifying this. Simplification gives that minus 2 minus of minus plus 2y plus 2y divided by 3, and this is minus I square into 2 by 3, which is equal to minus 2 plus 2 by 3 plus I into 2 plus 2 by 3, which is equal to 3 2 is 6, so it is minus 4 divided by 3 plus this is 3 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8I by 3, or you can simplify this as ಈಗ ಬರೆಯುವುದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನಾನು. So that is by taking 4 by 3 is common factor here. It is minus 1 plus 2y. That's all. So take one more problem of the same type. So okay, you take this problem as a homework one, okay, because I solved this type of problems. Many of the problems in parametric form. So the equation of curve is in parametric form. X is t, y is equal to t square. By using this, you find the limits. Limits ಕೂಡ ಇದು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಗೋಬಹುದು. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ along the straight line ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ from 1 1 to 2 4, you just go and find the equation of the straight line. And in second case, x is equal to t, y is equal to t square. You take x is t and y is t, dx is dt, dy is equal to 2t into dt. And its answer is, I just give its answers. Okay. So in first case, you get minus 29 by 3 plus 11. And in second case, we get that 151 by 15 minus 151 by 15 plus 45 by 4i. Okay, just go and find. If it is not possible to solve this, so then definitely I will give the solution. So take one more problem, different type. As here, evaluate integration over c z square plus 3z dz along the circle. So that is mod z is equal to 2. Mod z is equal to 2. Is from 0 0 to is what is that mod z is equal to 2 is. So if you know you already know that the equation of circle in standard form. Suppose the equation center of the circle is z naught, center is z naught, and its radius of the circle is some a. You can write that equation is mod z minus z naught is equal to a. So here the given circle is like this, mod z is equal to 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ equation of circle mod z is equal to 2 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ in place of z naught we have 0. So center is 0 and radius of the circle is 2. Center 0 ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು, radius 2 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, so that circle may be like this. So let us assume it is a circle. Okay. Suppose this is the point 1 and this is 2. This is 1 and this is 2. As this point is this is the point 2 0 and this is the point 0 2. So here the curve varies from, curve is the circle, part of the circle varies from 2 0 to 0 2. So 2 0 in the 0 2 varage antandre, so along this curve, along this curve we have to take the integration. This is the curve C. Yes, to evaluate this, You can write the equation of circle in parametric form. So the parametric form of the circle is, so it is like this, z is equal to, so its center is the origin, z is equal to r cos theta. So for x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. You can take the equation of circle as x is r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. But in this case, mod z is equal to 2. You can write mod z is equal to 2 directly as z is equal to, so you write this is 1 minute. So in complex numbers, if mod z is equal to 2, you can write that is, okay, before that I write this integral. So let I is equal to, so let I is equal to integration over c z square plus 3z into dz. Okay. So as you know that mod z is 2, you can write is z is equal to or mod z is equal to r in general. Z can be written as z is equal to r into e power I theta. ಹಾಗೆ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So mod z is equal to 2 can be written as z is equal to 2 into e power I theta. So ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು, z is equal to 2 cos theta, sorry, x is equal to 2 cos theta, y is equal to 2 sin theta ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So you can substitute that, and by taking ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕರ್ವ್ ವೇರಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you can take theta is from 0 to pi by 2 ಹಾಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Okay, so but now I am writing try to solve this in terms of z. So ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ z ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. So now dz is equal to, implies that what is dz? Dz is equal to 2 into differentiation of e power I theta is e power I theta. Differentiation of I theta is I into d theta. So that is dz is equal to 2I into e power I theta into d theta. So now I can be written as, so here theta varies from in first quadrant. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ವ್ ವೇರೀಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 20 to 02 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ವೇರಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಥೀಟಾ ವೇರೀಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 0 to pi by 2 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಥೀಟಾ ವೇರೀಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 0 to pi by 2. Okay, so I'm just change the pen. So now, so you substitute all these here. I is equal to integration from 0 to pi by 2. Z is 2 into e power I theta whole square, because z square is there here. Z ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 2 e power I theta ಹಾಕಿ, plus 3 into z 2 e power I theta. This into dz. Dz is 2i into e power I theta into d theta, which is equal to integration from 0 to pi by 2. 2 square is 4 e power 2i theta plus 3 2s are 6 e power I theta into 2i into e power I theta into d theta. So next step, simplifying this, which is equal to 4 2s are 8i, 8i into integration from 0 to pi by 2 e power 2i theta into e power I theta is e power 3i theta plus 6 2s are 12, 6 2s are 12, 12i into integration from 0 to pi by 2 e power I theta into e power I theta is e power 2i theta, e power 2i theta into d theta, which is equal to 8i into integration of e power I theta is e power 3i theta divided by 3i with limits from 0 to pi by 2 plus 12i into this is e to the 2i theta divided by 2i limit from 0 to pi by 2, which is equal to, so here I and I cancels, 2 ones are 2 6 are, and apply the limit. It is 8 by 3 into e power 3i pi by 2 plus 6 into e power 2i pi by 2. 2 cancels here, 2 and 2 cancels, which is equal to 8 by 3 into this is cos 3 pi by 2 plus I sin 3 by 2. So ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ e power I theta can be written as cos theta plus I sin theta. Similarly 3 e power 3 I pi by 2 can be written as cos 3 pi by 2 plus I sin 3 pi by 2 plus 6 into, and this is cos pi plus I sin pi. Sin pi value is 0 and cos 3 pi by 2, cos 270 degrees 0, cos sin 270 3 pi by 2 andre that is 270 degree, sin 3 pi by 2 is minus 1, so it is minus I plus 6 into cos pi is minus 1, which is equal to minus of 6 plus 8 by 3i. Let's go and check your answers. 6 plus so you forgot to write the lower limit here. So this is minus 0 lower limit e to the power of 0. This one, and here also it is e power 2i pi by 2 minus e power 0. Okay. So now simplifying this, this is 8 by 3 into, we can write it is cos 3 pi by 2 plus I sin 3 pi by 2 minus e power 0, sorry this is e power 0, e power 0 is 1 plus 6 into, here also it is cos pi plus I sin pi minus e power 0, it is 1, it is 8 by 3 into cos 3 pi by 2 is 0, sin 3 pi by 2 is minus 1, so it is minus I minus 1 plus 6 into cos pi is minus 1, sin pi andre 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, minus 1, so it is minus 2 minus 2 minus 8 by 3 minus 8 by 3 plus this is minus 12. Okay, go on simplifying this. Finally we have, so minus 44 by 3. So for 12 3s are 36, 36 minus 36 minus 8 is minus 44 by 3 minus 8 by 3i minus 8 by 3i. As you see, one more problem of the same type. Here write the integral first. Let I is equal to integration over c. So it is not z, it is z bar square into dz. Okay, in first case it is around the circle anta helidare. So take mod z is equal to 1. You can write that mod z is equal to, if mod z is r, ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ mod z is equal to r andre, so you can write it is z is equal to half power r into e power I theta. Similarly here, so in place of r 1 ide, so it is e power I theta. So then what is dz? Dz is e power I theta into I into d theta, is the differentiation. So if you substitute this here and here, complete circle antane, around the circle andre theta varies from 0 to 2 pi. Theta varies from 0 to 2 pi. So that I is equal to integration from 0 to 2 pi. So z is e power I theta. So then it's conjugate and z bar. So z bar ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ e power minus I theta ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So z is e power I theta, which implies that z bar is equal to e power minus I theta. So we substitute that here, e power minus I theta square, z square ಇದಲ್ಲ, z bar square ಇದಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ, dz is e power I theta I into d theta. Simplifying this, so which is equal to integration from 0 to 2 pi, this is e power minus 2I theta into e power I theta into I into d theta, which is equal to, you take I outside, integration from 0 to 2 pi, it is e power minus I theta into d theta, which is equal to I into integration of e power minus I theta is e power minus I theta by minus I. With respect to theta, it is like this. This with limit 0 to 2 pi, ಇಲ್ಲಿ I ಮತ್ತು I cancel ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. So you can cancel this I and I. Remaining is minus of e power minus I theta. If you apply the limit to this one, e power minus 2 pi I minus e power 0, which is equal to minus of, you can write this is cos of 2 pi minus I sin 2 pi minus e power 0, it is 1, sin 2 pi is 0, cos 2 pi is 1, so 1 minus 1 is 0, so finally it is 0. And similarly, in second case, mod z minus 1 is equal to 1 ante. In second case, mod z minus 1 is equal to 1. So you can write this as z minus 1 is equal to e power I theta, which implies that z is equal to 1 plus e power I theta. You can represent that the value z here like this. Z is equal to 1 plus e power I theta. So now what is dz? Dz is equal to e power I theta into I d theta. E power I theta into I d theta. And so and also here z bar is, you can write z bar has, z bar ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, so which implies that z bar is equal to 1 plus e power minus I theta. If you substitute this in I, so now I is equal to integration from 0 to 2 pi, integration from 0 to 2 pi z bar whole square, that z bar is 1 plus e power minus I theta. So this is square into dz, that is I into e to the I theta into d theta, which is equal to integration from 0 to 2 pi. Expand this by using a plus b whole square formula. A square plus b square e power minus I theta whole square can be written as minus 2I theta plus 2ab, 2 into 1 into e power minus I theta into I into e to the I theta d theta. Okay, simplifying this, if you simplifying this one, it gives, which is equal to I into integration from 0 to 2 pi. Multiply this with e power I theta. It is e power I theta plus e power minus I theta. See, they do multiply madadre. Plus 2 into e power minus I theta into e power plus I theta is 1 into d theta, which is equal to I into e to the I theta by I, its integration, plus e to the minus I theta by minus 1 plus 2 theta. Its limit is from 0 to 2. E to the I theta by I, e to the minus I theta by minus I theta by, this is minus I, and this is 2 theta. As apply the limit, it gives that, which is equal to I into, or you can multiply this I multiply madadre idu. So it is like this, e to the I theta minus e to the minus I theta plus 2 I theta. Limit is from 0 to 2 pi, which is equal to e to the 2 I pi minus e to the minus 2 pi I plus 2I into 2 pi minus of lower limit e to the 0 minus e to the 0 plus 0. It cancels. So now yes, you simplifying this is completely 0, and this is cos 2 pi plus I sin 2 pi minus of cos 2 pi minus I sin 2 pi. So minus 0, which is equal to cos 2 pi is 1 plus this is 0, this is 0, and this is cos 2 pi. Again it is cos 2 pi. Cos 2 pi is so this is 0 minus 1 0. So 1 minute. So okay, we forgot to write this 4 pi here, 4 pi I. Okay, write that here, plus 4 pi I plus 4 pi I. This 4 pi I ಬರ್ದಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, just written that. This is 1 and this is minus 1, this is 0 plus 4 pi I. So plus 1 cancel with minus 1. Finally we have 4 pi I. This is the value of this integral, second one. So okay, I think you can solve this problem. So this is the, I give one homework problem to you. So if possible, you try to solve this. X plus y into x square y into dy along the straight line y is equal to 3x from 0 0 to 3 9. And in second case, along the parabola, so y is equal to x square from 0 0 to 3 9. So I think its answers may be like this: 801 divided by 4, or in second case 769 divided by 3. So try to find the solution. Okay. So I think I want to solve the problems on complex line integrals. Okay. So next class I discuss the Cauchy's theorem is related to complex numbers, complex integration, and so if possible, you read the Green's theorem, which you studied in this same paper. So I think in paper 9, in paper 9 you studying in integral theorems. In that one, you, if possible, you try you read that Green's theorem once. Okay, so because in that in Cauchy's theorem you are using the concept of Green's. We prove the Cauchy's theorem by using the concept of Green's theorem. So okay, have a nice day. Thank you.